Today, Mark Zuckerberg announced a new product on WhatsApp called Keep in Chat. It lets people in a chat which has disappearing messages save the messages they need the most. With disappearing messages, conversations do not have to stick around forever, just like in-person discussions. While this extra layer of privacy protects the messages from falling into the wrong hand, sometimes there's that occasional voice note or key piece of information that you want to keep. To make this work, the sender will be notified when someone keeps a message, and the sender will have the ability to veto the decision. If you have decided your message can't be kept by others, your decision is final. No one else can keep it, and the message will be deleted when the timer expires. This way, you have the final say on how messages you send are protected. Messages you have saved on your WhatsApp will be noted with a bookmark, and you can see these messages organized by chat in the Kept Messages folder. We hope people enjoy this new update and the flexibility to keep the messages they need. This will roll out globally over the next few weeks.